Now it's really easy to go ahead and do this. I have two things right here, and you don't only need to do it on videos. You can also go ahead and do this on like images as well, or text, anything like that. So all you want to go ahead and do, it's very simple, is go ahead and have like your two layers or two pieces of media in your timeline, as I do right now. And then all you want to go ahead and do is literally just drag the second one, the one that you want on top on the timeline as well. Because whenever you do that, it's like a hierarchy system. So whatever layer is like the higher one is the one that's going to have more priority, which means the other one like literally just gets removed in a way. But let's say if I want to like change this and make this smaller or something, I could go to effect controls and just change position or change scale, and then I can make this smaller. So if I just change it like that, now it's smaller, and literally it's that simple. There's nothing else really to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.